In front of me is Realme GT60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, use microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and click on gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on now visible microphone. Select while using the app or only this time. And start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!